Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS15M1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS15M1 dies within minutes of powering up, you're likely dealing with an overheating issue or a failing component. This can be caused by dust buildup, malfunctioning fans, or even a failing power supply. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, potentially resulting in a costly repair or even complete device failure if left unattended. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, thermal paste, and some isopropyl alcohol to clean components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of the screws as you'll need them later. Using a spudger, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage the clips. Once opened, you'll be able to see the internal components. The component that typically fails in these situations is the cooling fan or the heat sink. Locate the fan, which is usually situated near the processor. Check for any dust buildup that could be obstructing airflow. If necessary, clean it gently with compressed air. If the fan is not spinning freely or shows signs of damage, it will need to be replaced. To remove the fan, disconnect the cable carefully and then unscrew it from the chassis. Make sure to use the correct screwdriver and apply the right amount of force to avoid stripping screws. Once the fan is removed, you can install the new one by reversing the process, ensuring the cable is securely connected. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the fan, it's wise to apply new thermal paste to the processor to ensure optimal heat transfer. Clean the old thermal paste off with isopropyl alcohol before applying a small pea-sized amount of new paste. Reassemble the laptop by carefully placing the back panel back on and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Before you finish, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose screws. Finally, power on the device and monitor its temperature and performance to ensure it runs smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the vents and fans regularly and ensure your laptop is used on a flat, hard surface to allow for proper airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.